Hey, welcome to UK Wildcraft. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to ID this plant here, which is Alexander's. All of the plant is edible, from the roots, which is a little bit similar to parsnip. You can eat the leaves, the young shoots, the stems, the unopened flowers and the seeds. This time of year it's all about the young shoots, which you'll find growing in amongst the open leaves. It's got a bit of a peppery flavour to it, and you can use it in a similar way to spinach, the shoots like this. They're good sort of wilted into curries, or you can just add them chopped up into salads. Now, an important way of IDing the plant is by the leaves. It's a trifoliate plant, which means 3 leaves. So if you take off some of the leaves, you'll see that they're in groups of 3. Start with 1, 2, 3. And each of those leaves is split up into 3. So you've got 3 and 3 on each stem. And the leaves are bluntly tubed as well. And another way to ID it is by the smell. If you break up the leaves, smell it, you get a bit of a peppery smell to that. So normally they're a coastal plant, but you can also find them growing inland, like I have here. And usually once they're established, they'll grow in quite big patches as well. So as I said before, the whole plant is edible, but I don't usually bother with the older leaves like this. Once they're opened, they're a bit, not so nice flavour, a bit bitter. So what I do is look around in the undergrowth, and you want some of the more unopened leaves. So like you have here, you see how it's a lighter green colour than the rest of them. They taste a lot better. And the stems are also edible, and they've got a very similar texture to celery. As they get older, they get a bit tougher, so don't bother with them then, but you can peel them and they're still fine. Another good way to tell it's Alexander's is if you look where the leaf stem meets the main stem, you'll see it's shrouded, it's protected there. And those shrouds are white with purple lines. Also in the spring you'll get umbels of small yellow flowers, and this is the dead growth from last year here. And then after that you'll get these are the seeds, and they're very similar to black peppercorns. Got quite a spicy kick to them, so I collect these up, take them home and dry them, and then use them in the same way you would black peppercorns. Just be aware this is a member of the carrot family, so there are poisonous ones in this family. Just remember the identifiers that it's trifoliate, so 3 leaves on each stem. It's shrouded where the leaf stem meets the base with a white and purple shroud, and also when you crush the leaves they give off a peppery smell. That's your 3 key identifiers.